All right, before we bring another band out, I'm going to do a quick check because I said earlier it's really important to remember the date for the next Battle of the Bands. And if you are coming in late and you haven't been out back in the back area back there, it's super awesome. The outdoor stage is where the Battle of the Bands is going to be. So, what day, give me the date, what day is the Battle of the Bands?
Tomorrow! Tomorrow!
Yes? January 22nd is the date, so make sure you put that in your planner, write it on your arm, whatever you gotta do, all right? All right, so today we've had all of our bands coming up on this stage for the first time because we have moved from the old Orpheum location to this location of the Orpheum. So please, give it up with their Orpheum stage debut at this location. Put your hands together for Frostbite.
Yay!
Hello everybody, so we are Frostbite. We're going to be performing 2 songs today, Walking on the Sun and Wild Child. Now before we start, I'd like to say a few words about one of our bandmates that is unfortunately leaving and hopefully coming back. Trevor on the piano. Trevor has been such an amazing piano player, and we cannot expect anything more from him. He's amazing. So thank you so much, Trevor, for being a part of Frostbite.
Yay!
Supplies are running out. Oh, I went go so like 68 years Thank you, thank you. So before we start our next song, I feel like it's fair to introduce the rest of the band. You may know them, you may not. So on the guitar we have Annabelle.
Yay!
Viva, she's on the drum.
Yay!
We have Landon on the bass.
Yay!
And of course we have Trevor on the piano.
Yay!
Or keyboard. And then you have me on singer. And our next song is going to be Wild Child by Black Keys. We've been working on this song a little bit more, so I think it should be, pretty effective, right? Great. All right, let's start here. I'm just a stranger with a twisted smile and wandering eyes. Your heart is in danger. Close now, let me tell you a lie. You got me running out the currents now. Baby, go even make it work now. You're gonna get my love today. You are a sweet dream, with a tender heart and beautiful smile. But things aren't what they seem. Close now, let you drink for a while. You got me running out of time. Baby, go even make it worthwhile. You're gonna get my love today. I just wanna hold you and everything. Girl, I wanna keep you while I'm giving you the stay. The sun is gonna shine if you would just come out and play. Baby, won't you show me your wild child ways? Wild child, you got me running through the turnstile. Baby girl, you know I don't like it your style. You're gonna get my love today, yeah, 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 yeah. Wild child, you got me calling out of exile. Baby girl, you know I don't like it your style. You're gonna get my love today, yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah! All right!
Orpheum, give it up for Frostbite.
Yay!
Nice job, y'all. Nice job. Got 3 bands to go.